Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about secant of x equals to 1 over cosine x, cosine 3x. That's about 4 cosine x to the power of 3 minus 3 cosine x. So we need to change secant of x into 1 over cosine x, and this one we change by this one. Now this one divided by cosine x, this one divided by cosine x. So we will have about 4 cosine x squared minus 3. And now we have the next formula. Cosine x squared equals to cosine 2x plus 1 over 2. So I will put this one go in here. So we have 4 divided by 2. So we have number 2 multiplied by cosine 2x and number 1. So 2 minus 3, you got about negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosine 2x, we have 1 over 2 sine 2x. The integration of number 1, we have s, and now we put about c. Number 2 divided by 2. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.